So in this particular problem, that is Quinn-McCluskey method, what we have done is after completing stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 of the Quinn-McCluskey method, we have found certain pram implicants, is it? That is from the previous stage we have selected certain prime implicants. Okay, so here we have got certain prime implicants, that is with mean terms 0 1 2 3. So this can be written as a bar b bar. So how to write this is already done in the previous video. That is for example, if you say here 0 1 2 3 and 0 2 1 3 is same, is it? Writing this kind is same, so that's why we select one of the pram implicant here, that is with 0 1 2 3. Okay, you can select this one also, that is 0 2 1 3 also, but I have selected 0 1 2 3. So here 0 1 means okay, 0 1 2 3 has got variables against a b c d, but a has got 0 value, b also has got 0 value, so that's why we write it as a bar b bar, and cd is dash dash, so we don't represent it here in this particular chart. Okay, so this happens for this next step also. If you are selecting one more prime implicant, this is 2 10 3 3 11, so that also can be written here, so you can see that that is b bar c. And one more you have, that is 10 11 14 15. Okay, you can write either 10 11 10 14 11 15 or this above one. Okay, both are right, so we have selected one here, that is 10 11 14 15, so that can be written as ac. Okay, why? Because a is taking the value 1, b sorry, c is taking also the value c 1. Okay, and next you have 12 13 14 15. 12 13 14 15 and 12 14 13 15, both are same. Okay, so any one you choose, I choose this, that is ab. Okay, ab means a has taken value 1, b has taken value 1, that's why we write it as ab. So this particular pram implicants are chosen for writing the next table, that is prime implicant chart. Okay, you have one more topic in your textbook, that is prime implicant chart. So let us see that how to write this prime implicant chart. So let us go for the prime implicant chart. So here you can see that we have written the prime implicants from the previous table. Is it? From the previous table we have got certain prime implicants, so that all those prime implicants are written at one column. Okay, and you have to form other columns as well. So what we have to fill in the other columns is we have to fill the mean terms. Okay, so whatever in your problem certain mean terms will be given already, so those mean terms you have to represent in the rows here. So first mean term was 0, next one was 1 2 3 10 11 12 13 14 15. So these mean terms are given already in your problem. Okay, you have written that written those mean terms as well. Okay, so one side you will be writing the prime implicants, other side you will be writing the uh, mean terms. Okay, so after that you have a bar b bar with mean term values 0 1 2 3. Okay, so using that values you can now represent a tick mark here. Okay, that is 0 means, so a bar b bar represents 0 1 2 3, so that's why I tick here 0 1 2 3. Done. Okay, next step is b bar c. You have to again tick mark that, so that is 2 3 10 11, so that's why I take 2 3 10 11 mean term. Okay, next ac is having the value mean term values 10 11 14 15, so that particular value 10 11 14 15 I'm going to take it next step. Okay, and AB is having the value 12 13 14 15, so that's why 12 13 14 15 is being selected. Okay, so this is the first foremost step you have to do while solving the prime implicant chart. So what you will be doing in the next step? So next step is you have to find which are the mean terms which see, if you see here particularly, I say the zeroth column, if you are seeing, or the first mean term is 0. Is it 0 mean term has in that particular column it has got only one single dot. So you have to look into this particular chart and you have to see where are the tick marks with single tick marks you have to see. Okay, you have to see that. So if I say that, now you can see here this particular column has got one single tick mark. Is it? I mark it, and next one, okay, that also has got single tick mark, and here 12 also has got single tick mark, 13 also has got single tick mark, and rest all you have double. So now this particular step is done. So since you have done this, so you can see that 0 and 1 comes under A bar B bar, is it? So A bar B bar has got 0, 1, 2, 3 mean terms. So that's why we cut off this row. Okay, so since you have marked 0, 1 already, you can extend that terms, or you can say that you can cross mark the first row. Okay, since 0, 1 is already marked. So similarly, since you have encircled 12, 13, you can cross mark 14, 15 as well. Okay, so this is being done, and after that you have to after the first step, that is actually you have encircled 0 and 1. Okay, you can you have to go to look into the double marked or multiple dots. Okay, so if you see that you can see since this is being marked, okay, you say 2 is being marked, you can cross mark the other thing also. Okay, the same column values you can mark. So since 3 is being third midterm is being marked, crossed out, you can cross mark the other mean, or you say the column you can mark in this manner. And also if 14 is being marked, you can cross mark that particular column. Since 15 is being marked here down, so you can cross mark 15th column as well. So now what is being left out is the middle one. Okay, you can see that these two or you say 10th and 11th term, it's not being cross mark. Okay, so that is left out. So now you say that here um, you have here which is the term is that is 0, 1, 2, 3 is first marked out, no? So that is nothing but here this 0, 1, 2, 3, or you say A bar B bar, and you have here this is marked out, no? So that is 12, 13, 14, 15. So these two. So that is A bar B bar, and AB is the essential prime implicants, you can see. Okay, here you see that A bar, B bar and AB are the essential prime implicant. Okay, so that is the first, from the first step you have got, no, that will be the answers. They are considered as the essential prime implicants. So next thing, what you have to see is B bar, C and AC among themselves they cover 10 and 11. Okay, here you can say 10 and 11. So 2, 3 is already covered in the earlier stage. That is A bar, B bar includes 2, 3. So here also B bar, C also, in that also you have 2, 3. So this since that 2, 3 is already included to the essential mean term, you don't take that into consideration now. Now again here in the next thing, if you are seeing 14, 15 is also it is also included in the essential prime implicant. This is AB. Okay, so what is left out is now B bar C. In B bar C you have 10, 11 is left out. AC also 10, 11 is left out. So this 1011 is the remaining mean term now. So you can cover that remaining mean term either in the previous expression, that is you can say y is equal to a bar b bar plus b bar c. Okay, you can write in this manner. So you can include this so that it covers all the mean terms. So here if you say you can include in one expression as y is equal to a bar b bar and plus b bar c plus ab, so that can be written. Okay, but here if you are saying b bar c is not a essential prime implicant, it is a non-essential prime implicant. Only a bar b bar and ab is a essential prime implicant. So which includes so you say a bar b bar includes the mean term 0 1 2 3, ab includes the mean term 12 13 14 15, and b bar c includes the mean term 10 12 2 3 10 11. So 2 3 is already being included in a bar b bar, but remaining one, that 10 11 have to include, no, so that's why I have included b bar c. So this is one expression. Okay, this is one expression you can write. Okay, other expression also can be written which includes 10 11. So how we can write that, let's see. So you have the remaining term. Think that some other student may be writing to include 10 11. So 10 11 is the remaining one, right? So I'm going to include this thing. So that is corresponding to that. Which one you have here? AC. Is it? AC. So that's why I take another expression as y is equal to a bar b bar. Okay, a bar b bar, that is this one, a bar b bar, and plus ac plus ab. Okay, so that is also right. If another student is right, this expression, that is second expression, y is equal to a bar b bar plus ac plus ab, that is also right. Okay, so anything is right, but you have to include every mean term. So that's why 10 11, to include 10 11 mean term we have done in this manner. Okay, so this is particularly for this particular problem we have got the final expression as you can see here, final expression. So y is equal to a bar b bar plus a b bar c plus ab, or y you can write it as y is equal to a bar b bar plus ac plus ab. So both are right. So here there are few steps. These few steps are already been explained in the previous video. I'm not going to repeat it. So let us go for the next slide. So let us solve another problem, that is example problem that is given in your textbook. F of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to summation of mean terms 0 1 2 5 6 7 8 9 10 14. So this is determination of prime implicants method. So they will be giving you a problem with summation of mean terms, and you have to group the mean terms based on the number of ones you have in that particular mean terms. Okay, so here if you are seeing, it is already grouped here. So you can see that 0 has got number of ones is 0, and here the group 2 you have got all the elements with single ones, and same way group 2 has got all elements with group 2 that is 2 two single ones you have, or two ones you have. So that is here you can see. Okay, in ninth mean term also you have got two mean term, two single ones, and 10th mean term also has got two single ones. So all are being grouped here in this manner, and the third group also has got three number of ones, three ones. You can see that here. Is it? After this particular step, we go for stage 2. In stage 2, we try to combine the earlier elements, that is 0 with 1, 0 with 2, 0 with 8, like this we go on doing. Okay, only if it is possible to combine, then only you have to combine, or else leave that procedures. Okay, so here 0 1 combination is possible, since here particularly one particular element, that is 0. Let us see that here. If you see what is step, let's see. So here 0 changes to 1, so that's what we have written dash in that place, and rest all matches 0 0 with 0 0. So that's what same thing is being written here. So 0 comma 1 it is. So similarly 0 with 2 is possible. So that's what we have written 0 0 dash 0. So like this we are going to do the stage 2 combinations, and then we try to mark the column 1 values. Okay, that is check marks you have to do as soon as you try to do the combinations. And next thing is column 3. Column 3 also has got different combinations. So that is a 0 1 with the match was possible with the 8 9. So that's why we have written it as a dash 0 0 dash. Okay, so you can see that final stage we have got few values here. In this particular stage, few elements are redundant, so that redundant values you have to strike out now. So here after doing the stage 3, okay, you have got in stage 3, we are now in stage 3 thing that. So 0189 is same as writing 0819. So I am going to strike out one particular value here. Okay, redundant value. And here next value is 020810. So in that case it is matching with the value 08210. Okay, so I strike out one value here. It's same. So both are same, so that's why we strike out one. 2, 6, 10, 14 is same as writing 2, 10, 6, 14. So that's why one is being striked out. So other elements which are not be, so you try to combine the next elements, okay. 0, 1, 8, 9 with the 2, 6, 10, 14, whether it is possible to combine, not possible. So leave this step. Okay, that's we are in column 3 or stage 3 now. So after this particular step, you have to see which elements are not being crossed out or checked. Okay, you can see that 1 5 here and 5 7 6 6 7. Okay, and 0 1 8 9 and 2 6 10 14. All these are not being what you have not done, you have not ticked like this, is it? So that's why we choose those elements as a essential prime implicants. So remember that whenever you do in Quinn-McCluskey method, finally some elements are not being crossed out, is it? So here you see 1 5 is not being check marked, 5 7 is not check marked, 6 7 is not check marked, 0 1 8 9 is not check marked, 2 6 10 14 is also not check marked. So that's why these are the prime implicants, okay, we are choosing for the next step. Let's go for the next stage, or writing the what we say is we have to write the prime implicant chart, is it? So one side, whatever the earlier values you have chosen from the previous stage, that is the values which are not check marked, is it? Those values you have to consider for this particular step, is it? So we have written prime implicants now, prime implicants. So 0189, which was not cross marked there in the previous stage. 0 to 8 10 also is not being cross marked. 2 6 10 11 10 14 was not cross marked in column 3 of the previous problem. 1 5 5 7 6 7, these are also the terms which are not being marked in the column 2, is it? So those are prime implicants now. So next thing is, here we are going to write the mean terms. So which are the mean terms in the problem? Okay, which was in the problem? Mean terms for 0 1 2 5 6 7 8 9 10 14. These were the mean terms. So based on the values you have in the prime implicant here at the left hand side, you are going to cross mark. So 0 1 8 9, when you are going to have First thing is you have to point out 0, 1, 8, 9. Is it? So 0 to 8, 10 you have in column 2, mark 2, I'm sorry, 0, 2, 8, and in 10th column mark 10 mean term. 2, 6, 10, 14 mean term also has to be marked. 2, 6, 10, 14. 1, 5 has to be marked. 1, 5 is 1, 5. 5, 7 has to be marked. Fifth mean term and seventh mean term, mark it. So sixth mean, 6 and 7, sixth mean term, seventh mean term, mark it. So mark in this manner. After marking, you have to look into the columns which has single dots. Okay, you have to look into the columns which has single dots. So see through that 0th column has got any single dot? No. One here? No. In this column, no single dot. Fifth column, no single dot. Sixth column, no single dot. Seventh column, no single dot. Eighth column, no single dot. Ninth has got one single dot. Okay. So whenever you get it, one single dot, you have to encircle it. Because that corresponding mean term, whatever you have chosen, in that way it will become a essential prime implicant. So another thing you have here, 10th mean term, whether it has got double dots, you have to see. No. 14th has got, yes, one single dot, so that's also being written. Okay. So now I am going to encircle the 14th dot since it is only single dots in that column. Okay. So since 14th is being marked, I am going to cross out this. Okay, cross out the line, and CD bar is the essential prime implicant now. Okay. So now you have 0, 1, 8, 9, that is B bar, C bar, and 2, 6, 10, 14 is also CD bar. Okay, so these are the two prime implicants, essential prime implicants. Okay, and since I have marked here in the column, first column, that is 0th column, I have marked, I can cross out the other thing, or column wise I can cross out. And since one is being crossed out, you can cross out this one also. Okay, and since here second mean term is being crossed out, this corresponding column also gets crossed out. And next thing is, since this is being crossed out, that is sixth mean term is being crossed out, you can cross out the other thing. Eighth mean term also you can cross out. 10th mean term, since this is marked out, you are going to cross out with this. Okay. So now remaining is only where is the remaining terms you have here and here, which cannot be cross marked. Okay. So if you choose here 1, 5, 1, 5, so to choose this, suppose fifth mean term I want to choose now to the final expression. But here 1 is already included in this expression. So leave out that. Okay. Leave it. So I am not going to include this 1, 5. Why? Because to include 5, if I include 5, here 1 is that has already been chosen in the previous B bar, C bar. Is it? 1 is present here as well as here. So no need of including again here. This term, if you are writing in the final expression, you are including the redundant term. So don't include since 1 is already included here. Okay. So now you want to choose which is remaining 5 and 7, is it? 5 and 7 mean terms are remaining to be included in the final expression. So now what you have to do is you have to choose 5 7. Why? Because see 6 7 also here, if you are choosing here 6 7. So to include 7, if I choose this expression, 6 is already included here, CD bar, in CD bar, is it? So that's why I don't take the two expressions 1 5 and 6 7. I take 5 7 to the final expression. Okay. So here 5 7 is being included for the final expression. Okay, so now the final expression is f is equal to b bar c bar plus c d bar plus a bar b d. So here b bar c bar plus c d bar is the essential prime implicant. Okay, and a bar b d is a non-essential prime implicant. Non-essential prime implicant. This is the final expression of your problem. So this particular steps is being solved in a textbook. So this is already I have explained in the previous slide. So same thing, how you have to cross mark all those terms that I have just shown, and finally you can see that here also you can see that these terms are being the last terms that is being left out without cross mark is 5 and 7. So to that 5 7 is being included in a bar BD. So that is what we have written here. So let us move on to the next kind of